Research saves lives.
Hello everyone, I am Kayathri Devi Devprasad. My research work focuses fully on building scalable, secure, intelligent network intrusion detection systems using machine learning algorithms. In machine learning algorithms, especially my research work focuses on ensemble machine learning algorithms and along with some mathematical models like TOPSIS. So today our agenda is to get to know about the architecture of ANIDS framework. I will tell you what is ANIDS. A stands for anomalous, okay, anomalous. N stands for network, I stands for intrusion, D stands for detection, S stands for systems, okay. So network intrusion detection system we are going to talk about, and this is my research idea, and where I used one mathematical modeling called TOPSIS for ranking the performance of the classifiers in order to perfectly classify your traffic pattern and your attack pattern, normal traffic, attack traffic. So for that we are using this particular architecture, and this particular architecture which I proposed as my research idea got so many citations. Yes. So we will quickly see what I have done in this thing. Initially, I will load the traffic data set, which will be called as training data set, correct?
This research participation is really important and crucial for me.
These data sets are called benchmark data sets, okay? So using these things, I found my research findings, and the research findings I recorded in my thesis. Do you all understand? Yes. So this particular traffic will be fed as input to some feature selection algorithms. Why we have given to feature selection? Because of the curse of dimensionality. Okay, if your data is with so much of traffic, we have to cut short your features.
Today I learned a lot of things, especially how to use ANIDS and how to handle different situations.
So which are all important features, that alone you need to keep it. Only then your output will be perfect output. So using these feature selection algorithms, I am getting my selected features, and those selected feature data set is fed as input to my classifier choosing stage. In this classifier chosen stage, we have individual classifiers. Right now, I considered only 4 individual classifiers. You can increase. Based on your requirement, you can increase.
In a research which was related to the cybersecurity, this research was really important and global as well as. So this research says that it's for the networking part and for the cybersecurity, that it's a normal attack, normal or attacking abnormal traffic.
Okay, if your data is with so much of traffic, we have to cut short your features. So which are all important features, that alone you need to keep it. Only then your output will be perfect output. So using these feature selection algorithms, I am getting my selected features, and those selected feature data set is fed as input to my classifier choosing stage.
Personally, from today's session, I got the point that importance of cybersecurity where information technology used.
In this classifier chosen stage, we have individual classifiers. Right now, I considered only 4 individual classifiers. You can increase. Based on your requirement, you can increase. So you all know what does DT stands for? DT stands for decision tree algorithm. SVM stands for support vector machine classifier. Then LR stands for logistic regression. Then NB stands for naive Bayes algorithm. These are all the standard classifier algorithms which I considered for my research work.
Professor, what is ensemble classifier and what is different between single classifier and ensemble classifier?
In single classifier, we will use any one of these classifiers. Whenever we say ensemble, it is a group of classifiers. We will add the classifier results, and based on the results, we will go ahead with the testing.
Professor, I have a question. Why do we need to compare this one, P, I and T? And the next question is, what does it mean?
Okay. Here PI stands for the optimal values and T stands for the current values. If the value is greater than your current value, you have to go perfectly with the single classifier itself. Otherwise, you have to go with the ensemble classifier.
Today's research was very interesting. It was about cybersecurity, and I'm planning to use it in my project. My project is about working with the machine learning about crack detection.
Professor, I have a question.
Yes.
Could you explain me difference between algorithms?
In this chi-square, it will calculate some correlation factor. Based on that, it will decide whether this feature is correct feature, important feature or unimportant feature. It will decide that. But meta-heuristic algorithm will have one more classifier algorithm inside it. Okay? And it will decide based on the outcome of your classifier, it will tell you whether the feature is important feature or unimportant feature.
Me and my team made a research that is crucial for the students and youth. So we made a platform and solve these problems. The name is rotation. Rotation is a starting point for youth and students, the aged between 16 to 25 people, youth and students as well as. For the Generation Z, through this platform they can find internships, part-time, and feedbacks from mentors and even announcement.
I'm planning to use it in my project. My project is about working with the machine learning about crack detection. We built this project for engineers.
In the field of cybersecurity, security breach is inevitable. So, lot of security breaches will happen in the data security level, network security level, information security level, infrastructure level. Right now, we focus today on network intrusion detection system, which is focusing on the network layer level. And through this research findings, we got motivated to do a lot of research in the field of network intrusion detection systems in the field of cybersecurity.